Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add a green screen effect on Runway ML. So let's get right into it. So you have your video in the timeline, and let's say I want to just get this astronaut image by itself and get rid of the background, or vice versa. So what we're going to want to do is click on the video in the timeline, and we're going to go down to the magic tools and click on green screen. Once we do that, it brings us to this page where now all I have to do is click on the subject I want to use. So we want to be able to the AI to distinguish what we want to green screen, right? So we have to click on the black shadows, the white shadows, or the white color of that subject. So I'm going to click once here, here, and we're missing this side. So I'm going to click that as well. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's good enough for beginners. And all we're going to want to do now is figure out if we want to include what we just selected, which is the green part, or we want to exclude it. So if we click include, it's going to remove the background and just keep the astronaut. And if we exclude, it's going to take out the astronaut and just leave the background, but we want to include. And then right here we have feather, refine. This is more of if we want to make it as sharp as possible. And then once we're done, all we have to do is click on Done Masking. And it has taken away the background. And so right here, we can actually view it. And it's not perfect, but like I said, it's good for beginners. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.